Good morning, my dear great children of APS Udhampur. Warm welcome to all of you. In today's EVS online class, we are going to start a new chapter of your EVS book, Lesson 19 Things We Make. Subtopics which we are going to cover are Life of Early Man, Clay and Pots, Potter's Wheel, Decorating the Surroundings. Dear children, in the previous chapter, we had learned that thousands of years ago, early humans walked from place to place in search of food and shelter. They carried what they needed on their own backs. The invention of wheel had a great effect on them. Slowly they learned cattle grazing and farming, which led them to lead a settled life. The Indus Valley civilization was the earliest major civilization in India. It spread over northwestern areas of Afghanistan, Pakistan, and India. It was called so since it developed along the banks of the river Indus. With the discovery of fire, they were able to invent and make a number of things. The early men needed containers to keep the grains they had grown. They used straw baskets and shells of coconut, covered them with mud and clay to store food items. Later, they learned to bake clay pots with fire to make the containers strong. Dear children, as you know that with the discovery of the wheel, a potter's wheel proved to be very useful. It helped him to make pots better and faster in many different shapes and sizes. Pots made of clay are called earthenware. Today, we use lovely colorful glazed pots as vases, teapots, teacups, money boxes, flower pots, decorative items, etc. The beautiful jewelry made from clay is known as terracotta jewelry. Jaipur in Rajasthan and Khurja in Uttar Pradesh are two places famous for pottery in India. Since early times, men had kept the surroundings clean and decorated. The early men made paintings on their cave walls. Later, they decorated the walls with Lipan art. In this art, pieces of mirrors are cut into geometrical shapes and arranged them in patterns with white lines. Madhubani, Varli, Kalamkari, Rangoli, Gond, Toran are the famous art and craft works in India. Madhubani art is done with natural colors with a variety of tools including fingers, twigs, brushes, nib pins, and matchsticks. Warli art is painting on mud base using white color with dots in red and yellow. The white pigment is a mixture of rice paste and water with gum as a binding agent. Kalamkari is a type of hand painted or block printed cotton textile. Only natural dyes are used and it involves 23 steps. Iran and Indian states of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana are famous for this art. Rangoli is an art form in which patterns are created on the floor or on the ground using powder materials such as colored rice, colored sand, or flower petals. It is usually made outside the door on the auspicious occasions and during Diwali, Onam, Pongal in southern India. Gond art is painting from folk and tribal art. Gond paintings are quite common in Madhya Pradesh, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh, and Orissa. Torn art is used to decorate the entrance doors of houses with mango leaves, beads, mirrors, and colorful cloth. Dear children, as home assignment, you will read and discuss lesson 19 with your parents. Here is one home activity for all of you. Paint and decorate small clay diyas with the required materials such as mirrors, pearls, skins, etc. Thank you for being with me. Stay safe, happy, and healthy.